So perimeter is the area around an object. Does that make sense to you? So if you walk around a square of grass, that's the perimeter, and the area is what's inside. Okay? So each shape is going to have a different formula, and the common ones are going to be a square, a circle, a rectangle, and a triangle. So each one of them. What, honey?
Do I have to memorize all the formulas for them?
No, but you should write them down.
Okay.
So we have a square, we have a rectangle, a triangle, and a circle. So you're going to write P equals A equals, P equals A equals, P equals A equals, and then just leave the circle off.
Okay.
And then let me know when you're done with that.
Okay, I did that.
Okay. Then you're going to start filling in what I did right here.
Okay.
And then area of a rectangle is L times W. And then area of a square is A squared. And then perimeter of a square is 4 times S. Got all of those?
Hold on, I just need to write all my things.
And then area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So these are our formulas. The first step, whenever you are doing area or perimeter or volume or anything else, the first step, step 1, is to write the formula. So you're going to write step 1, write formula. Oh my gosh, I keep breaking my pencil. Step 2, fill in numbers. Step 3, solve. Step 4, label your answer. And perimeter is in units. Area is in units squared. So units could be inches or centimeters or meters, whatever they put, you're going to just write that for perimeter, and then for area, you're going to do whatever the units are squared. Okay, so let's say that our square is 5 centimeters. We already wrote our formula, that's step 1. Step 2 is to fill in the formula. So the side, that's what S is times 5. So it's 4 times 5. If this was 6, it would be 4 times 6. If it was 10 centimeters, then it would be 4 times 10. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
All right. And then what is 4 times 5?
20.
And then what are our units?
What?
What are our units? 5 what?
Centimeters?
So you're going to label it with a cm, 20 cm.
Okay.
And then for area, we follow the same exact steps. Step 1 is to write the formula. Step 2 is to fill in the number. So what number would I fill in right here?
9?
What is our square?
Centimeters? 5 centimeters?
So you're going to do 5 squared. And then how do you figure out 5 squared?
Yeah.
It's 5 times 5, right?
Okay.
Do you remember what exponents are, Jalen?
Yeah, I think I never thought of 2 one time.
So it's whatever it is times itself. So if it's a 5, it would be 5 times 5. If this was a 6, it would be 6 times 6. If it's a 10, it would be 10 times 10. So what is 5 times 5?
25.
Yep, so A equals 25, and then what are my units?
Centimeters?
And then, because it's area, it's centimeters squared, right?
Okay. Oh.
Let's shut this window.
Okay.
It's making a breeze. Okay, so that is how you do perimeter and area of a square. Now, perimeter and area of a rectangle is the same exact, it's just a different formula, but you follow the same exact steps. Step 1 is to write the formula. So P equals 2L plus 2W. This is our L. And this is our W, width. The width is the up and down, and the length is the across. So let's say our length is 8 inches and our width is 3 inches. Then we're going to do P equals 2 times 8 plus 2 times 3. And we always do our multiplication first. So what is 2 times 18?
18 or 8?
Oh, sorry, 8.
16?
And what is 2 times 3?
6?
And now you add these together. 16 plus 6 is
1.
16 plus 6.
22?
And then what is my label?
Centimeters squared?
Right here.
Oh, inches?
And then it's perimeter, so it's just plain old units, not units squared. Does that kind of make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to do area. So we first write the formula. Now we fill in the numbers. So length is 8 times width is 3. What is 8 times 3?
24?
So you're going to write 24, and then what's our label?
Inches?
And then we're going to put a squared here because it is area.
Whenever it's squared, you always put 2 as it?
Yes, for area. Area is always squared.
Okay.
And then a triangle, say you have 8 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and 5 millimeters. We're going to do perimeter equals A plus B plus C, A, B, C. So we're going to do P equals 8 plus
Okay.
8 plus 5. So what is 8 plus 8 plus 5?
21
So you're going to write P equals 21, and then what is our label?
millimeters.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense.
Good. So we'll keep it there. I won't do area of, well, I'll do it. Let's do a different 8 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and 4 millimeters. So we're going to do base times height. So my base is this right here, and my height is this right here. So we're going to do 5 times 8. What's 1/2 of 5 times 8?
What's 1/2 of 5 times 8?
Yeah. So 5 times 8 is 40, right? So what's 1/2 of 40?
20.
Mm-hmm. So our answer is 20 millimeters. And since we are doing area, what kind of millimeters is it?
Where?
You got it. Kind of make more sense now?
Yeah.
Okay, I will send that to you and Mom, my darling. Have a good first week of school. I'm on vacation next week. I will see you the following week, though.
Okay.
Bye, honey.
Bye.
Hi, love.